Alright guys, we got our portable washing machine over here, as you can see. Also a dry spin, so it's 2-in-1. Now I'll try to answer as many questions as I could for you guys. Why should I get this and not a traditional washing machine? Is it worth my money? And in what case should I get this? So those are some of the common questions I get. If you guys do have any other questions, comment below and I'm more than happy to answer for you guys. So yeah, I'll answer those for you guys. How long I had it for? I had it for over 3+ years. I got it when this guy was born, because as you guys know, kids goes through a lot of clothing, so we didn't want to do laundry every day in the laundry room. Now keep in mind, I live in New York City in an apartment in 4th floor, so doing laundry takes a lot of time. If you're going down, all that stuff, it's time consuming. Also, it's very costly as well. It's not cheap. Every time you do a laundry, it costs like $10. So this is definitely a money saver for me. I'm definitely on a plus side now. I definitely got my money worth having a 3+ year. Plus we wash clothes almost every day. My wife, she washed the clothes. She washed it about 6 days out of the 7 days of the week. So doing that for 3+ years, guys, we definitely got our money worth. Sometimes even 7 days. So I say 6 days just to be on the safe side for good measurement. We have 2 kids now. So as you guys know, if you have a kids, they make clothes dirty 6-7 times. You gotta change them. So yeah, they adds up very quickly. Plus my socks, underwears, her clothes. So yeah, man, this definitely saved me a lot of time and a lot of money. So let me go ahead and show you guys some of the features. We have washing feature right here, up to 15 minutes. So if it's not clean enough after 15 minutes, if you have a big load, just do another time. Same thing over here. So you leave it on a normal or gentle, and then when you want to drain the water, you just go drain. And then this is a high speed. So this is basically like when you put it in here. Hey, sorry. When you put it in here, it's gonna do a very high spins, and it almost dry your clothes. I would say about 98% to 95%, somewhere around there. And then you just hang it up. You just hang it up for an hour or 2, and then it becomes completely dry. This is also very important, guys. Hold on. Let's open this. Let's show them the top. So this one, make sure you guys don't lose this. And once you put your clothes in here, just put this on the top, just like that, and then do the spin, so that way like none of the socks or underwear or anything gets in there. So yeah, be careful of that. And then you could fill this up. You could just put water here directly, or when you first buy it, you see this tube right here, they give you a line where you can connect it to your sink, so that way you could just follow the water over there. And then when you put it on drain, there's a drain pipe over here, and then you could have that in a drain bucket or drain sink. I usually just lift this up. This is very light anyway, so when there is no water or clothes, it's about 20 lb or 15 lb, so you could easily lift it and place it somewhere wherever you need to. I usually just pick it up, put it in my bathtub, do the laundry, drain and everything, and then I just lift it back up and put it in the closet and whatnot. So yeah, guys, we've been doing this. Now to answer your questions, why I got this one and not a traditional one. Well, first of all, I live in an apartment building, and we're not allowed to have the traditional one because the landlord pay for the water bill, so we're not allowed to have that and connect those. This was my bet. Also, the second reason, this is cheaper because it's way cheaper than the traditional one. Plus, with the traditional washers, you don't get a dryer. You have to buy dryer separately. With this, you're getting both. You're getting a washer and a dryer, and look at that, it's very good size there. So you could put a very big load in there. And then all you have to do is you just hang your clothes after you're done spinning. You just hang your clothes for like an hour or so. So the way I do it is I wash it here in the bathroom, and then I have rope system in my living room, and I just hang all the clothes for like an hour or two, and then that's it. It's done. Put the rope back up, and you're good to go. So this is why I went with this one and not a traditional one. Is it worth your money? It's worth every penny and more, guys. So people who need this is like whoever live in a apartment building, or you live in a house, you don't want to install a one, you just want a quick one. Budget friendly. This is budget friendly, or you needed to move it space to space. Definitely give it a try if you're thinking of it. If you do have any question, guys, let me know. I'm more than happy to answer any question you guys have. And I make this kind of video, DIY project. I also do tech, tools, toys, virtual reviews. So if you guys like those kind of video, make sure you follow me. That's what I ask. Thank you guys for watching.